Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our app gallery. Now in the top search, find app called RAR, it's RAR. Hit the search button and install this specific app. When it's ready, click on the open. We'll need to allow all file access for the app, and now we can go back. From here your app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.